Before watching this video, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to receive more notifications further.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today's video is going to be a makeup look or a makeup tutorial on the look which you're seeing right here. So basically I created this look just to use this lip shade, so I hope you will enjoy this video guys. Before watching the video, please click on the subscribe button if you haven't clicked till now. I'm going to do a voiceover on this video so that the length of the video will be a bit shorter. So I hope you enjoy this video guys. If you enjoy this video and like this look, please give it a thumbs up guys, and also you can follow me on my social media platforms which will be linked down below in the description box. If you want to personally message me or talk to me, you can follow me on my social media. You can DM me on my Instagram also. I am readily available to help you out. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
I'm starting off with a concealer. I'm using L'Oreal True Match concealer here. It's equal to my skin tone, maybe a shade lighter. I'm applying it on the lid as a primer, and with a flat brush I'm going to pat and drag the concealer to blend it out. Set the concealed part with the powder. I'm using the LAKME Rose powder in the shade Warm Pink. Using this shade, which is a beautiful light brown shade, I'm going to define my crease. Top of this, I'm going to apply this orange shade to the outer corner and to my crease. Blending is the key guys, so don't forget to blend well. Using a more deeper orange, I'm going to apply it on the outer and inner corner of my lid. And then applying this purple lilac shade between the center part of the lid and the outer corner, just to get that transition effect and more blended look. Center of the lid, I'm going to apply this gold shimmer shadow from NUA palette. Top of the gold shimmer, I'm going to use a light gold shimmer just to make my lids look a bit popped. Using the same light gold shade, I'm going to brighten my inner. For the face, I have used the Cal primer. The clip got cut off, so I'm also using the foundation. I have mixed Maybelline Fit Me and Sephora foundation to get my perfect shade. Using the same concealer, I'm going to conceal my eye bags. Using a lighter concealer from the same L'Oreal True Match, I'm going to highlight my high points. After this, I'm going to use the Fit Me powder and set the entire face. As you know, my skin is oily, I need to set my entire face. And then using this L'Oreal Matte Magique in the darker shade, it's 2 shades darker as you can see clearly from here. I'm using that to bronze my face. It's a very subtle bronze kind of shade. Using Maybelline Nudes palette, I am going to do my brows. If you want to know how I do my brows, there is a separate video on this. I will link that down in the description box or maybe in the I button. Using this Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal, I am going to highlight my high points as well. And also my brow bone using the same highlighter. I'm going to apply the gold shade and also the orange shade down below in my waterline, just to give the eye a bit of the definition. Here I'm not going to use a kajal or something. If you want, you can go ahead and use it. The star of the show is this super purple orchid kind of lip shade. It's from Sugar, Smudge Me Not, in the shade Vivid Orchid. Using Wet n Wild matte setting spray, I'm going to set my face. This is the final look. I hope you like it. See you on my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.